Hello, hello, hello. Yes. Hello, boys and girls. My thousandth binary puzzle will be this one. Yes, I've collected thousand binary puzzle. In this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, January the 3rd, 2023. I've already done two puzzles, the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, the tectonic with 4 stars, in Dutch they call it Saiva block, in Japanese Suguru, and this binary puzzle. I will start my 1000th binary puzzle, yes. I've collected 1000. If you look to my playlist, if you subscribe, you will see my playlist with 1000 binary puzzle. This will be number 5731. 5731. So it's a celebration today. Yes, my 1000 binary puzzle. And before I start, I always count a printed digits. Well, this one has 16 printed digits. 16. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Double, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Then, well, and now I'm stuck. Now I need to think. Yeah. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Well, 1, 2, 3. An O, between an O and a 1, with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So this box should be a 1 then. Double 1, here no, there no. And we have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this last row. Not allow one of the rules. So this can be 1, this should be no. Yeah. Need to think. Think. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Alright. And now. Come on. Well, I can compare with this column and that column then. 001100 empty box 110011. We need to switch these 2 digits, otherwise we will have identical columns if I place a 1 here on an O there and an O there. So we need to switch the numbers. We have a 1 here, this should be no. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Then we have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this first row. Not allow one of the rules. So this can be no, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, the 4th one, then we have 3 O's in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. We have here 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, Then we have 3 O's in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O and 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two ones comes an O. Well, and now. 1, 2, 3, no. No. 1, 2, 3, no. We need to compare again. How about we have a double 1 here. No. No. How about this one? Double O 101. No. Well, will be difficult. Well, if I look to the O's here, this column and that column, here we have an O, here we have an O, and there we have an O. And the fourth O in this column is there. I cannot place the O there, otherwise we will have identical columns. So this can be an O, this should be a 1 then. Okay. Between two ones comes an O. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Okay, and now. We have 2 rows and 2 columns to complete. Can we compare? This column, the first column, and the third column. Well, 001110010, empty box 11, empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Finish in 7 minutes. Yes, completed my 1000th binary. Yes, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle. Yes, the last puzzle. It will be a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.